So you might be looking to create a sales funnel in your digital business. But one thing that you might not have thought about is, what are your goals for your actual sales funnel? What are you looking to achieve? Maybe you're looking to have people to join your email list and generate new leads. Maybe you're looking to get more customers. Whatever it may be, it's important for you to establish what your goals are before you actually create a sales funnel. That's exactly what we'll be talking about today. Establishing a goal for your sales funnel so that you can set yourself up for success. All right, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise through online courses, memberships, and coaching programs, and so much more. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk all about how you can establish your goal for your sales funnel, I want you to check out our 5 funnels that every course creator needs. Now, these 5 funnels will help you to identify how you can generate more leads, also generate more sales, and be able to consistently create cash flow in your business, sharing your expertise online. You can find that below. All right, so let's talk about goals for your sales funnel. Now, one thing that I have found after talking to people who are building out sales funnels, who usually reach out to my team and I to help them to build their sales funnels out, my first question is always, what is your goal? Now, this is the one question that I see so many people feel stumped on, because they're like, I didn't think about that. What is my goal? And so sometimes the goal is to generate more leads. Sometimes the goal is to generate more revenue into your business. And sometimes your goal is to create ongoing revenue. Maybe you are looking to get out of doing so many live launches and you're looking to create evergreen opportunities. Another goal might be you are looking to increase your online presence. Maybe you have an in-store or in-person business and you're looking to build out an online business model, and this is one of the ways to help you to be able to do just that while you still try to manage your in-person or in-service business. So I want you to be thinking about, what are your goals before you start diving into creating a sales funnel. So one thing I like to do with myself and my team, we all like to kind of sit around and think about, what is our one goal before we do this. Now, we don't think about 25 goals. We don't start to think about, okay, our goal's this, our goal's that, our goal's this. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's how these funnels are gonna connect. We think about what our one goal is. So we like to be very specific with this one goal because it helps set the tone and also helps us to identify how we need to properly map this out. So by identifying what this one goal is, it then can help us to identify some of the other goals that may be associated with this funnel. So for example, whenever we are doing a lead magnet funnel, our one goal is to be able to generate new leads, but we like to be specific with it. So when we create our lead magnet, we put a number associated. We would like to generate 500 new leads from this specific lead magnet. We start to identify, how are we going to do that? Where is that traffic source going to come from? How are we going to promote this lead? Are we going to jump on podcasts? Are we going to go on to YouTube channels and start talking about this lead magnet? Are we going to have affiliates talk about it? What are we going to do to get to 500? Now, it's important for you to identify that, because then it can help you to look at your traffic source, look at what you're going to do in your business to get people and actually reach that specific goal. Now, you want to have push goals. So if 500 new leads is not your goal, maybe you want to have 1,000 new leads, whatever it may be, you can have push goals and you can pick the number that you believe would work best. But I just want you to be realistic with your numbers. So if you are used to only having maybe 25 people opt into your lead magnet, or maybe 100 people opt into your lead magnet, I just want you to be realistic, and I want you to pick numbers that you believe would be a great fit for your business. So I want you to forecast this out, and I want you to pay attention. Does this number make sense based off of what I do in my business currently? And if I put more effort to it, can I achieve some of these goals that I am setting for my business? This will help you to be able to properly measure your success and what you're looking for, and also be able to identify your traffic source and see what might need to take place on your funnel flows when you're creating them for your funnel. All right, so here are some things I want to ask you to help you to identify what your goals are. And I also want to give you some examples. So having a funnel goal will help you not to fall into the shiny object stage. I have found myself time and time again trying to duplicate or see the success of what I saw other people doing. And I didn't think about what is my main goal. And when I didn't have that one main goal in place, I ended up falling into shiny objects. I was trying to do this and trying to do that, and I thought this would be great, and I found myself all over the place, and I ultimately did not have successful funnels. So we don't want that for you, so I want you to establish your one goal. And a way to help you to be able to do that is I'm gonna ask you a few questions. I want you to pull out a pen and a piece of paper, and I want you to start answering these questions so that you can properly identify if this goal is going to be the right fit for your sales funnel. Okay, let's do this. Is your goal to get more students into your digital products? If that is one of your goals, I want you to keep that in mind, because ultimately that is going to help you to be able to identify if you are actually providing an opportunity to join your product through your sales funnel. Now, is your goal to get qualified leads to your business? Now, if this is one of your goals, this will help you to identify, do I have an opt-in or some sort of webinar or workshop where I'm just collecting emails and providing something for free? And do I also have an opportunity that will allow my leads to be able to build a relationship with me ongoing so that they can ultimately turn into customers? Now, if your goal is to get more high tier paying clients, maybe you want clients who are paying over $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, or even $5,000, then I want you to start looking at what assets do you have in place to properly cater to your higher tier clients that you're looking to gain? Do you have applications in place? Do you have sales calls in place? What do you have in your funnel, or what are some ideas that you can implement into your funnel so that you can be able to properly qualify if this client's the right fit and help to move them to a higher tier product? Now, do you have an affiliate program? So as you're looking to get people to your digital products, maybe your high tier paying clients, or just get qualified leads, do you have affiliate programs in place that can help and assist you to do that? Now, the last question I want to ask you are, what are your specific goals? So I want you to write down exactly what your specific goals are. Here's an example. I would like to increase my revenue by 30% from existing clients. Or I would like to be able to generate 1,000 new qualified leads to my email list. Now, it's important for you to identify your goals and answer these questions, because when you're creating your assets, it will help you to properly ensure that you have the proper materials and resources and things in place so that you can reach those specific goals. So corporate misfits, I want you to do one thing for me. Establish what your goals are. I want you to get very clear on this so that then you can go properly build out a wildly successful sales funnel. But in order for you to do that, you need to know what your goals are so you can establish them and make sure that you have everything in place to be able to accomplish that. All right, corporate misfits. So if you already have your goals in mind, leave a comment below letting me know what your goals are. And also don't forget to check out the 5 funnels that every course creator needs to build a business that allows them to generate new leads, generate revenue, and ongoing cash flow so that they can be able to build a wildly profitable business that creates freedom and so much more. You can find that below. All right, corporate misfits, I will see you soon, and have fun establishing your one goal for your sales funnel. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.